She wants to know the meaning of Shajara al-Maloona and how these people being frightened.
You see, the Shajara is mentioned with reference to the trial of Adam. There are two types of Shajara. One is Shajara Mamnu'a, and that is the Shajara Maloona, which is mentioned in the Holy Quran. So, you see, in the story of Adam and Eve, the Quran mentions two shajar, ashjar, two types of ashjar. One is shajara of the garden, ashjar of the garden, from which you must partake and pick your fruits as you like. And the other is a shajara mamnu'a, which is the fruit of which is made haram on Adam and all the believers. So it is that shajara is Maloona, and the Holy Quran refers to the same. That the Holy Quran, according to the Holy Quran, for the believers in Rasulullah sallam, the matter is made very clear. They should not go near such things as the fruit of which is barred from eating by Allah, and that is haram as mentioned by the Holy Quran. All things which are declared haram in the Holy Quran are the fruit of Shajara Maloona. And all things which the Holy Quran says, yes, Kulu Haniya Mariya, you know, all these things are that part of Allah's favor on believers, which allows them to eat of everything which is halal and tayyib. So this is the other shajara. According to me, the teachings of every prophet of Allah consists of these two things: do's and do nots. So if you do what the prophets tell you to do, that is your Jannah. That will create a Jannah for you. If you do what the prophets say do not, then you are partaking of Shajara Maloona, and the result of that would be that you will be rejected in the sight of Allah. So this is in a nutshell the story of all the prophets since Adam became till the time of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.